Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $19,491. 24-hour volume, we are up 27%, and market cap, we are down 2.57%. So heading over to our chart on our weekly chart, we have finished off for the week here, you guys, getting rejected from our area of interest, area of confluence, and essentially we are retesting or testing this area of support here for Bitcoin at 18,599. Now, essentially, we have our chart pattern, which is a bearish head and shoulders. So again, here's the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder. So if we do ultimately come down, as we can see, the RSIs itself are closing in, and essentially when they pinch over and we see the white line below the pink line, such as this here, then it is going to show us a hint of a selling opportunity. And of course, we're not even over and the 80% considered to be overbought here. So again, we may come back down in the next couple of days to come at the 18,592 or relatively test this area of support. As we can see, the MACD indicator here, again, not really showing a lot of strength of the momentum of the bars. We do see them very, very minimal, and we are well below our 0% here. So let's go ahead and take a look at our 1-day chart here. So again, we can see this engulfing candlestick of red pressure from yesterday. The volume itself picked up just so slightly at 16,000 trades. But again, we are seeing the same thing for our RSI here. We're seeing a close in area only at 38%. And when we do see this crossover, you guys, we are going to come back down and retest the area of support here, essentially at the 18,500. Now, if we take a look at some areas of support, we have here on September 16th and another at September 18th, roughly around the 19,300. So just $150 shy from the current price right now is that area of support. Here's another candle at September 9th. So we have 3 candles retracing to this area of support. And if we do see that flicker of our RSI showing us as the momentum flicked over to the red already, then again, we are going to be dropping down to the 18.5 zone. Heading over to 1 hour time frame here, you guys, we do see an opportunity just so slightly. We do ultimately want to wait until the next candle itself. But if we take a look at the candlesticks here, we can see already we're cloud covering the previous candlestick, which is great at an area of support and a hint that there may be a buying opportunity in a shorter time frame. We can already see that we were considered oversold here at 0% of our white line, and then our D line or our K line here at 32% at an area of support. As we can see, the momentum of our MACD indicator is getting lighter in the color, giving us a hint that this momentum is soon going to end. And if we take a look at our profile volume here, if we take a look at some of the clusters or point of interest, what we can see is relatively roughly around the 78% here is the next cluster. Now we can see that there was barely any trades that occurred from here. So our next point of interest is at 19,600, depending on how strong the momentum flips over from the red to the green at an area of resistance. So that's my video outlook here, guys, for Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.